In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find challenges in Strava app. If you enjoy a little motivation to keep your workouts on track, Strava's challenges are a simple way to set goals, compare progress, and have some fun with the community. I'll walk you through exactly where they live in the app and what to expect when you get there, so you can start exploring without any confusion. First, open the Strava app on your phone. Once you're on the main screen, you'll see the familiar navigation bar. We're not recording an activity here or viewing the feed. Our destination is the section where Strava brings people and goals together. Next, tap on Groups. This is the hub for community features, and it's where Strava keeps clubs, events, and most importantly for today, challenges. Depending on your device and version, Groups is typically found on the bottom navigation bar and often has an icon that looks like multiple people. When you enter Groups, you'll notice it feels more community-focused than the home or record screens, and that's by design. Strava uses this area to organize anything you might do with or alongside others, including shared goals. Now, tap on Challenges. This takes you right into the dedicated challenges area. Here you'll see a selection of ongoing and upcoming options curated by Strava and its partners. Challenges can range from monthly distance goals to elevation targets and activity-specific themes like running, cycling, or multi-sport. You might notice progress bars, time windows for participation, and brief descriptions that explain what each challenge is about. It's normal to see a mix of global challenges and regionally highlighted ones, and the lineup can change over time as new themes roll in. Once you're on the challenges page, take a moment to scan the categories and timeframes listed. Many challenges reset monthly, while others are limited time events that pop up around specific dates. The descriptions typically spell out what counts toward completion, so you can quickly understand whether your usual workouts will apply. If you're curious about how these challenges encourage consistency, think of them as mini goals layered onto your routine, giving you a clear target for distance, elevation, or frequency within a set period. That's all there is to it. Open the Strava app, go to Groups, and then tap Challenges. With that simple path, you're exactly where you need to be to discover new goals and keep your training fresh. Enjoy exploring what's available right now, and let those structured targets bring a little extra spark to your next workout.